Hey guys, again, Colebrook, Connecticut by Sucker Brook, and there's tons of different Native American evidence here. So I think I found another animal effigy head. I'll get in closer, but basically what I'm looking at is you have the eye right there. Again, I'll walk up to it in a second. The mouth, that piece is broken off. And then the general shape of what we'll call the head. Look at this. So you got an eyebrow ridge, eye. There's the mouth. Snout. Again, spent my whole life not even walking past tons of these and never even knew that they were a thing. It's kind of fun to look for them now.